Hello and welcome. Today we'll be presenting about computational psychiatry and introducing a contemporary strategy to efficiently diagnose and treat mental disorders and illnesses through a bibliometric analysis of the top 100 cited literature. So my name is Yvonne Vargas and I am the facilitator for this research program, and my institution of study is UC Berkeley.
My name is Kelly. I'm the co-facilitator researcher, and my institution of study is Portola High School.
Hi, my name is Baba Ahmad, and I took the role as the communicator and researcher. I am also a rising senior at Northwood High School.
Hello, my name is Hazel, and I'm the author and technical analyst. I'm studying at UC Berkeley.
Hello, I'm Nico Macario. I am a researcher, and my academic institution of study is Amador Valley High School.
Hi, my name is Rahima. I'm a subsequent author and a rising freshman at Homestead High School.
Hi, my name is Becca Blanchard. I'm a subsequent author and I study at UC Berkeley.
To start us off, our research aims to summarize and analyze the potential of computational psychiatry through our 100 most cited sources. During our research, we found that computational psychiatry utilizes tools and scientific approaches to investigate neurocircuit mechanisms which underlie the behavior and cognitive deficits of neuropsychiatric disorders. This understanding is then used to develop effective and personalized treatment for patients.
As for the introduction, about 50 million worldwide are affected by mental illnesses. Conventional diagnosis falls short due to their intricate nature. Computational psychiatry harnesses the synergy of computer science, psychology, and neuroscience to construct sophisticated models. Through these models, we gain invaluable insight that help with the development of personalized mental health care. Bibliometric analysis aims to use statistical and mathematical methods to efficiently extract quantitative data from a larger volume of scientific sources. We have taken a bibliometrics-based approach to explore the research trends and underdeveloped topics of this emerging field by analyzing the 100 most cited documents. As for the methods in search strategy, we went through an electronic search made on the Web of Science, which yielded a number of results tracking back from 1976 all the way to contemporary times in 2023. And to obtain a list of viable articles, the keyword computational psychiatry was implemented. No restrictions were applied in the sections of countries and regions or languages or article types. And from such traits, a total of 5,405 articles corresponded with the specific traits that were asked for. These article options were further sorted by number of citations of highest first.
So from the 5,405 preliminary search results gathered, only the eligible top 100 cited articles were exported from the Web of Science. These sources were inputted into bibliometrics for data extraction. All sources fit into the inclusion criteria of only articles, preceding papers, and reviews, with an exclusion criteria of editorials. Among our sources, we discovered 77 articles, 22 reviews, and 1 preceding paper. In bibliometrics, all 100 sources were found to already be in the English language, and all articles were published between the years 2013 to 2023, and this was maintained to optimize accuracy of all information. Information regarding article title, year of publication, journal, and total number of citations was recorded for each source from bibliometrics. The most relevant senior authors, senior author affiliations, and journals were subsequently extracted from the entire dataset, also using bibliometrics. Relevant affiliations only of the senior authors were collected, and the most relevant topics were recorded using the Web of Science by utilizing the filter citation topics on the top 100 most cited sources and recording the number of articles centered around the top 10 topics. Topics with 2 or less articles were excluded. To decipher the study type of each of the top 20 most cited articles, each article was reviewed. And lastly, we inputted all quantitative data into Excel to be meticulously organized and generated into graphs and figures.
Through our research, we found 5 main topics of interest, including the type of article, senior author, institution of publication, including 13 different distinguished affiliations, journal of publications with 13 different journals contributing 2 or more studies, and the distribution of topics, where we found that the top 3 themes focused on neuroscanning, genome studies, and molecular and cell biology genetics.
This is part 1 of the table depicting the 100 most cited articles on computational psychiatry.
As explained earlier, the top 100 most cited studies were categorized into 77 articles, 22 reviews, and 1 preceding paper. The citation count ranged from 3 to 4,862, with a mean of about 49 citations per study. Our most cited study was second-generation Kling, rising to the challenge of larger and richer datasets, published by Christopher Chang, with 4,862 citations.
And this is part 2 of the table depicting the 100 most cited articles on computational psychiatry. This table outlines the 20 most cited articles on computational psychiatry.
As shown in this table, case study and prospective study types had the highest frequency, with 8 studies using each study type. Figure 2 depicts a total of 13 senior authors who published 2 or more studies in the top 100 most cited studies, though some were excluded. The top senior authors, Xin Li and Stephen McCarroll, each published 6 sources. Additionally, 3 leading authors published 5 sources, and the remaining 8 leading authors published 4.
Figure 3 demonstrates 13 of the most distinguished affiliations associated with the senior authors, the top 100 most cited studies. Senior authors were mostly found from Harvard University, with 139 senior authors, University of California System, with 102 senior authors, and Icahn School of Medicine, with 82 senior authors, among multiple others.
Figure 4 represents the 13 journals that contributed 2 or more studies to the top 100 most cited sources. The journals Nature, followed by Nature Genetics, and Cell were the containers of 10, 8, and 6 studies respectively. Nature Connections and Nature Neuroscience also held 6 studies. Nature was the most contributed journal, attributing to 10% of the 100 sources included.
Figure 5 displays 13 of the keywords amongst the top 100 most cited studies. 3 of the central ideas explored throughout these studies were neuroscanning, with 27 articles, genome studies, with 15 articles, and molecular and cell biology genetics, with 8 articles, while autism and developmental disorders, along with gait and posture, appeared to have less extensive research conducted upon them, with only 3 sources dedicated to each topic. Neuroscanning was the main content of overall relevant research thus done on this topic, being the primary focus in 28% of the top 100 most cited sources.
So some of the weaknesses that we encountered throughout this research project, the first one was technological challenges, such as importing and exporting files and transferring data. Another one to take into consideration is the sample and selection bias that exists within the research sources. As for our strengths, the first one is the precise and detailed findings that appeal to our objective of computational psychiatry. Another one is the variety among topics to discover overlaps or differences. And the breakdown of trends and the potential to predict future trends is also quite helpful. And lastly, the structure throughout each source that had meticulous detail to each.
So neuroscanning has shown to be the most extensively researched topic in the domain of computational psychiatry, as it is the most prominent topic of the top 100 most cited sources. This highlights the significance of using brain scans to develop a complex understanding of mental conditions within this field. However, the significance of researching other essential areas, including autism, developmental disorders, gait, and posture, must not be understated, as more research of these issues at hand can lead to a better patient outcomes.
In conclusion, the computational psychiatry bibliometric analysis we have conducted offers valuable insights into the current research landscape and evolving trends within the field. Through a thorough examination of a comprehensive collection of scholarly articles, we have been able to identify over 100 cited publications, which serves as a clear indication of the growing interest and investment in this interdisciplinary domain. The findings revealed that neuroscanning receives specialized research attention, with prominent authors like Xin Li and Stephen McCarroll publishing 6 papers on the topic. Harvard University emerged as a leading institution, and Nature was the most contributing journal. One noteworthy trend that emerged from our analysis is the significant increase in the number of publications focusing on machine learning applications in psychiatry. This observation points to the growing recognition of the potential of machine learning algorithms and techniques in advancing our understanding of mental disorders. About 50% of people with mental disorders worldwide do not receive the necessary treatment. And a study published in the American Journal of Psychiatry revealed that computational models analyzing brain imaging data can predict with 72% accuracy whether an individual will develop schizophrenia 2 years before traditional clinical diagnosis. Traditional diagnostic and treatment methods have shown limitations, highlighting the urgent need for innovative solutions. Thus, by leveraging the power of machine learning, researchers and practitioners can delve deeper into complex data sets, identify patterns, and extract meaningful insights that can inform diagnostic and treatment strategies. However, our research also highlights the cruciality of devoting more time towards the areas of autism, developmental disorders, gait, and posture within the domain of computational psychiatry as the prevalence of these issues rise. In doing so, a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms and potential interventions or treatments can be developed to promote better outcomes and meaningful advancements toward these topics. The implications of the analysis extend beyond academic research. They have practical implications for clinicians, policymakers, and healthcare providers, as computational approaches have the potential to transform the delivery of mental health care. It is an exciting time for computational psychiatry as researchers and practitioners come together to unlock the mysteries of the mind and pave the way for more effective and personalized mental health care.
And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.